I just want to introduce our initiative to introduce to the world a new pricing method for water and turning water as a new asset class, as in a commodity as it should be. Well, what we're seeing in our region and all over the world, that from the water that we have in this world, 97% is just salt water, and just 3% is a fresh water. And from this fresh water, about 70% is ice and permanent snow, and only 31% groundwater and lakes and river, which means that we are using just 1% of the world water to all our needs. Having that said, what we are seeing that we have to operate in a kind of a scarcity. And what happened is that it reminds me a story of the race to the moon on the 60th of the last century, when the Americans and the Russians tried to find a pen that can write in space. Well, the American put $6 million to find a pen that can write in space. Of course, the Russian didn't have money, so they used a pencil. Why I'm saying that? I'm saying that because it shows us that in a time of a scarcity, we have to find ways how to manage things that we have in a shortage or in a scarcity. When we have a lot of money, of course, we can use a lot of money to produce and to do and to use things. But when we don't have, as we have in water, so we have to be in that things that is in a shortage.